Here's the first ball. Razam Akram enjoyed it. In fact, you know why he enjoyed it? Because it was one of those fake balls that we saw early on. Neil Johnson didn't know it, and he was completely flummoxed. Then he realised what it was and said, "Get away from here." Well, it's been this type of match. No, officially. So Mark Moore, in fact, deliver a ball such as that, which had come from the crowd during the Asian innings. And then the ball after that, get the wicket of Jadeja. Hasn't quite worked for Razam Akram this time.
Across Wasim Akram, but still very effective. Johnson beaten, a bit of in swing.
So the world is up off the mark with a leg by. Still laughing about that first ball or first non-ball, as the case may be, when Razam Akram delivered a fake ball that had come from the crowd.